Welcome students. Today again discuss about tricks on limit. Take first example. Limit x tend to e log x minus 1 divided by x minus e. Here formula is limit x tend to a log of x minus log of a divided by x minus a. Its limit is 1 by a. Here 1 log e means 1. Therefore this convert as limit x tend to e log x minus log e divided by x minus e. Therefore the answer is 1 by e. Now second formula, limit x tend to 0 a power x minus 1 divided by x equal to log of e. Limit x tend to 0 a power x minus 1 divided by x. Its limit is log a. Therefore its answer is log of 3 by 5 divided by log of 4 by 2 means final answer is log of 3 by 5 divided by log of 2. This is log of 6 divided by 3 divided by log of 4 means log of 2. There 4 is 2 square. 4 is 2 square means 2 log of 2 equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Next, this is 5 power x minus 3 power x. याला पुन्हा आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला सेट करता येईल. लिमिट x टेंड टू 0 a power x minus b power x, c power x minus d power x means log of a by b upon log of c upon d. हा फॉर्म्युला सेट करता येईल इथे. नेक्स्ट, तुम्हाला तर माहीतच आहे लिमिट x टेंड टू 0 cos of ax minus cos of bx divided by x square. Its limit is b square minus a square divided by 2. Its answer is log of 5 minus 3 means 5 upon 3. Its limit is 3 square. 3 square means 9. Then the 5 square means 25 divided by 2 equal to log of 5 by 3 divided by 9 minus 25 minus 16 divided by 2 means minus 8. Again it convert as 1 upon 8 means sign change. Sign change means log of its reciprocal. 5 by 3 means 3 by 5 is the answer. Here answer is log of a by b upon 1 minus cos x means limit x tend to 0 1 minus cos mx divided by 2. Its limit is m square by 2. Here m is 1, means its limit is 1 by 2. To shift on numerator 2 log of a by b is the answer. This is 3 power x minus 1 whole square, means log of 3 whole square. Means here formula, limit x tend to 0, a power x minus 1 whole square divided by x square is log of a whole square. Other here in place of x square we write as x log 1 plus x sin square x tan square x sin x into tan x sin x into log 1 plus x tan log of tan x into log 1 plus x. Answer is same. Next problem. Limit x tend to 0. Limit x tend to 0. Here 3 power x minus 1 whole cube divided by 2 power x minus 1 into sin x into log 1 plus x. Second number, limit x tend to 0, 3 power x minus 1 whole square divided by x log 1 plus 2x. Next, limit x tend to 0, 3 power x minus 1 whole square divided by sin x log into log sin log of 1 plus x. Next, limit x tend to 0, 5 power x minus 1 whole square divided by tan x log 1 plus x. Next, limit x tend to 0, e power kx minus 1 into sin of kx divided by x square. सेम फॉर्मूला अप्लाय करायचा आहे. हियर 3 power x minus 1 whole cube means answer is log 3 its limit whole cube divided by 2 power x minus 1 means log of 2. Here sin x upon x means 1, log x 1 plus x divided by x means 1, means log 3 whole square divided by log of 2 is the answer. Here log of 3 whole square, x cancel, log of 1 plus 2x is 2. Formula, limit x tend to 0, log of 1 plus mx divided by x, its limit is m. Here log of 3 whole square divided by 1 into 1 means log of 3 whole square. Here log of 5 whole square divided by tan x upon x means 1 divided by x याला म्हणजे 1 म्हणजेच log of 5 होल स्क्वेअर. यात e पॉवर kx मायनस 1 याचं k याला आपण ॲडजस्ट केलं म्हणजे याचा k लिमिट इक्वल टू k स्क्वेअर. अशा प्रकारे आपण इझिली त्याचं लिमिट घेऊ शकतो.